Hi, this is Phalla from khmertutor.com. Today, you will learn this vowel. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribe, like, give a comment, and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new lesson. If you want to support my channel, go to the more info below. Enough talking, let's start the lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to use this vowel, pronunciation, repeat, and some example. The first sound of this vowel is ow. Ow used with all sound series consonant. Ow has long sound. Open your mouth and close it slowly in O shape while you pronounce this vowel. You feel vibration at the back of your tongue. Now repeat after me. Ow, ow, ow. Good. And here are some examples. Cow, tao, sao, chao lao, bênh bào, xôm công chao lao. The second sound of this vowel is O. O used with all sound series consonant. O has long sound. Keep your mouth still in O shape while you pronounce this vowel. You feel vibration inside your mouth. Now repeat after me. O, O, O. Good. And here are some examples. Cô, tung, put, vô thìa, rung chạ, niếng thua cá knong rung chạ. And now you learn ow and o. I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget, subscribe, like, give a comment, and click the bell icon for notification when I post a new lesson. And if you want to support my channel, go to the more info below. And if you are interested in private Khmer lesson with me, go to my website khmertutor.com and send me a message. Thank you for watching and see you next lesson. Bye.